Okay, we finished making our beds. Wait, Mom is gone? I forgot. Mom said she was leaving today. So I guess Mommy's gone, remember? I guess. Well, she said not to be naughty or anything, so yeah, we don't be naughty. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So it's okay. So we have to be best behavior today so mom can be proud of us. Yeah, that's a good idea. So first let's start by making our beds because our beds are horrible. Yeah, just horrible. I know. And let me start with mine first. Okay, let me do mine now. Let's first take off all the stuff. Then I'm gonna start with my blankie. I'm gonna fold it. Yeah, fold that up. Plop. Okay. I'll take my blankie, put it on my bed. Ploppity plop. Then take my pillow, puff it out. Puff, puff, puff. Puff my pillow out. Perfect. Now put it on the bed. Actually, okay. And now we put my pop little shop pillow here. Then now time to put my stuff, my stuffies and stuff on it. So put this on here, belongs there. My stuffy, my chain for my bed to make it look pretty and girly, and then my best friend one that my other friend has. Perfect. Now everything is made. Okay, I think I had to change my clothing. I didn't have to change my clothing. All done. Yay! Boom, boom. Yee. Park the car here. Okay. Now I'm gonna go on my trip. Whoa! Okay, I guess mom's gone now. I saw the car going. She said she was gonna have the mailman come and drop it back off so that we can go places. So yeah, okay. What do you wanna do? We have to go wake Sissy up. That's the problem. Sissy is a big fat sleepyhead who likes to sleep, and she doesn't like to wake up. And when we wake her up, she crashes out or rage baits. So I'm gonna cut to the clip where we wake her up. Okay. Okay, perfect. Cesar, wake up!
Oh, okay.
Wake up!
What's wrong? The voice you made even woke me up. Wait, no. Did mom already leave? I just looked outside. Let me check outside doing. Is that her? Oh, guys, that's her. She left.
Wait,
Did you know? Oh, wait, is that mom's car? Is she gone already? Is she leaving? Guys, can you see mom's car? That's her car.
Yeah, I see it. She left.
Like, I never knew she was supposed to leave this early. Like, she left now.
Yeah, that's so cool. Now we're completely alone. I need to go use the potty. I need to potty. I need to too. Okay, let's go. I need to use the potty.
Can I control your foot now? Just now.
I need the potty. Let's go.
Can I come in? I also need a potty.
Wait, you can't see me naked. The
Okay,
potty.
fine.
Shh. Okay, flash. Wash my hands.
Can I come in now?
Yeah, you can come in now.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll wait for you outside.
Okay. But you better be patient because if you gone after I come out the classroom, you're gonna be gone, buddy.
You can't even do that.
Huh. Let's
Just
see.
be quick, okay?
Fine.
I was quick. Wash your hands.
Okay.
I'm
Now.
I'm waiting. Let's go. Let's go.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Can we go to a room to play?
Yeah, let's play. Yeah. Another car? You.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, let's play.
Ah.
Guys, are you fine? Yes. Then you need some any water. Some juice?
Okay.
What about the cake?
This smells so fun. Okay,
Yeah.
I have to put the table back together. Okay, what do we do now?
I don't know.
Okay, so, I'm just gotta, chill my bed.
Then
Okay.
you heard my footsteps. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, I hear sister. I'm gonna pretend like I'm sleeping. Sleep. Okay.